Hello class, Dr. Pace here. I just want to explain a little bit more about what I'm looking for within the two counseling videos or mock sessions that you'll be doing this week. Um, you're going to be busy. I mean, that's the best way that I could put it actually. So because it's a 5-week class, there's a lot more requirements for you in this particular type of class, specifically dealing with techniques. So just a lot. So hang in there with it, and I'll work with you any way I can. Don't get too stressed. There's always worry and there's always anxiety built around the idea of doing a video, um, performing or demonstrating skills in front of your classmates or the instructor. Typically, face-to-face schools do this in front of everybody at one time. So you'll have mock sessions that the instructor either participates in or watches two students do in front of everybody, and then they discuss it. We're not able to really do that online, so this is the way we do it, is you turn in the videos. The most important thing that I want you to realize is that number one, you cannot use a real client of yours from work or from anything else, period. You cannot do that. It's against the law and it is unethical. What I want you to do is to make it a mock session, which means it's fake. It means that the person you have in front of you is not real. And because every week you're going to be doing a different assignment of techniques, this week, for instance, you're going to be doing informed consent and your attending skills, nonverbal skills, those kind of things in the second video. You're going to find somebody that'll sit there and listen to you, just explain to them as if they were a real client and talk to them about informing them about what's involved with becoming a counseling client, where you'll talk about confidentiality, you're going to talk about limitations, you're going to talk about the risks of counseling, all kinds of things that are there. And that's all you're going to do in that informed consent video. It should not take very long. These videos need to be no more than 3 to 4 minutes. In your second video, you're going to work on your attending skills. Now you'll notice right here in the video assignment, this is the assignment, and these are the links that you upload things with. Okay, hang on, let me turn that off. You got to. These both describe exactly what you're going to be doing. In your video 2, you're going to be demonstrating nonverbal skills, attending skills, and observational skills. There's a rubric within each one of these assignments that shows you exactly what I'm looking for as far as the skills do. What I do not want you to do is get in there and try to impress me with some type of a counseling session where you're talking about problems and you're doing all these other different types of skills. I don't want you to do those. I just want you to show me the skills. And you can actually be talking with your client, set up this mock session to where they say something that you can respond to and say, okay, this is my nonverbal skills, and this is how I do attending skills, this is how I do observational skills. That's what I want you to do, so I know that you know what you're doing. Watch the YouTube videos. They're going to show you how I want the camera placement. I'm more interested in seeing you and a little bit of your client. I'm not interested in the client and what they have to come problems with. I'm really not looking for that. I do not want you to try to impress me with some type of a counseling session. Why? Because you haven't been trained how to do that yet. And the lay skills that people think they have, as far as counseling skills that they have, are usually wrong. So it ends up making you look bad. The most important thing you can do is just follow the instructions and do the skills that are requested. You're not going to be perfect. I don't expect you to be perfect. These are first time events for you, and I'm here to help you along with that. But I need to be able to see that you understand what's going on. So read your assignments. And basically what you just need to know with all of these is that you have a link, which is right there. That's called your upload link, and that's what you'll click on after you record your session, uh, convert it to an MP4 file, and then reduce the size to a good small, and I do mean small size. because a share stream will take forever uploading it, and then it won't ever upload correctly. So this is the only thing you do with this link is upload your video. But then you turn around to the assignment actually, and this is where you're going to upload your self-evaluation and your transcript every single week. On this particular one, video one, you're going to be also including the consent form, so I can see that you actually did something like that. You will not do this every week. So again, you come down to video assignment number 2. There's the upload link, and then here's the assignment link. And again, you just turn in basically. And there's the rubric. You're going to turn in your transcript that you're going to type out word for word, and you will not turn in this informed consent, which I'll take off of there, so you don't have to do. But you will turn in your transcript, and you'll turn in also the self-evaluation form, and that's what I'm looking for. If you have any questions, email me. I'll be glad to answer your questions, okay? Hang in there with it. Enjoy it. Have fun with it. And I'll talk to y'all later.